Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Update iPhone iOS and your laptop OS so compatibility issues don't block you. Connect the phone via a certified cable or set up the same Wi-Fi network for wireless options. Make sure Bluetooth is on and you're signed into the same Apple ID on both devices. This allows continuity features. Once done, unlock the iPhone and trust the computer if prompted, because that grants the laptop access to files and screen features you'll need next. Once connected, you'll choose the method. For wired file moves, open Finder or iTunes, select your iPhone, then drag files or manage backups. This is reliable for large transfers. For quick sharing, use AirDrop. Enable it on both devices, then send photos, links, or contacts instantly. If you need the iPhone screen on your laptop, open QuickTime on Mac or a mirroring app on Windows. Start a new movie recording, and pick the iPhone as the camera so you can display or record the screen in real time. To finish, verify transferred files open on the laptop and then eject the iPhone safely to avoid corruption. If you mirrored, stop the session and close the app. If something goes wrong, restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, toggle AirDrop, and reboot both devices because network glitches often clear that way. Make sure the cable isn't frayed, confirm you tapped trust on the iPhone, and verify Apple ID sync settings. Addressing those three things usually fixes permission and connection errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.